making time travel easier, mastering since in English. Hello language learners. Welcome to another exciting video where we unravel the mysteries of the English language. Today, we are delving deep into prepositions of time, specifically focusing on the preposition since. This tiny word can be your secret weapon to express time accurately in English. Let's get started. Since is a very versatile word in English, but when we talk about it as a preposition of time, it has a very specific role. Since is used to indicate a starting point in time. It could be an hour, a day, a month, a year, or even a decade ago. The critical thing to remember is, since always points to the beginning of a period. For example, I have been living in New York since 2010. She has been studying since morning. In the first sentence, 2010 is the starting point when the speaker started living in New York. In the second sentence, the morning is the starting point when she started studying. Since is used with different time expressions. You can use it with specific time in the past like hours, dates, months, years, and periods of the day. It's also used with the days of the week and common phrases indicating a point in the past. For example, we've been friends since 2 p.m. Hour. He has been working here since January. Month. I haven't seen him since Monday. Day of the week. They've been away since the start of winter. Period of the day. While since is quite straightforward, there are some common mistakes learners make. 1. Confusing since with for. Since refers to a specific point when something began in the past, while for refers to a duration of time. For example, incorrect. I have been waiting here for 2 p.m. Correct. I have been waiting here since 2 p.m. 2. Using since with a future time reference. Since is used for past time references, not future ones. For example, incorrect. I will study since tomorrow. Correct. I will study from tomorrow. And that's a wrap. By now, you should be much more comfortable using since to express a starting point in time in English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to start using since in your daily conversations. We hope this video has been helpful and we look forward to helping you continue to improve your English. Until next time, happy learning!